Yo, what's good everyone? And today I'm going to be breaking down employment basics, how jobs pay you, how your money is calculated, and also how to read. Alright, so first let's talk about how jobs pay you. There are a few main types: hourly pay, which is you earn money every hour you work; salary, which is a fixed yearly income; commission, which is based on how many sales you create; and then piecework, which is based on how many sales the product produces. And different jobs, they use different systems, so it's really just important to know how your job works. This is section 2, and these are some really important key pay terms. Some important terms you want to know is gross pay, which is the total money earned before anything is taken out; net pay, which is what you actually take home; overtime pay, which is extra pay for extra hours, and usually depending on the job it's 1.5 times per rate. And then there's minimum wage, which is the lowest legal pay, and for California it's $16.50 to $17.99. And then you'll also fill out a W-4 form for taxes, and many jobs use direct deposit. And then next I'm going to be showing the word problem example that I've created for you guys. Okay, so the word problem is: Jalen works 40 hours a week at $12 per hour. He also works 5 hours of overtime at 1.5 times his hourly rate. What is his gross pay? So step 1 would be to find the regular pay. Which would be 40 hours times $12, which would equal 480. And the next would be to find the overtime rate. So step 2, which would be 1.5 times 12, which would equal $18 per hour. And then step 3 would be to find the overtime pay, which is 5 hours times 18, which would equal $90. And step 4, the final step, would just be to add them all together. And to add them all together, that would be 480 plus 90, which equals 570. So this would be your final answer. So section 4 will be going over taxes and deductions. So like I said, that he would be taking home $570. He wouldn't actually be taking all $570 home, because there's deductions like FICA tax that come out of your paycheck, and these help pay for Social Security and Medicare. So it would be net pay, which would equal gross pay minus deductions. Our final section will be going over his benefits and pay periods. And basically all you need to know is that jobs can also give benefits like health insurance or retirement plans. And also you need to remember that pay periods matter, and you might get paid weekly, bi-weekly, or twice a month. So basically what I've covered is to understand how you're paid, to know your formulas, and always check your paycheck. And that's employment basics, simple and important for your life. I hope you enjoyed our project. Thank you.